In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download export contacts from Instapage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your contacts, how to choose the right ones, and how to save and open the file so it's ready for analysis or sharing with your team. First, start on your Instapage dashboard. Look for the section labeled Leads or Contacts in the sidebar. Click into that, then choose All Contacts. This takes you to the main contacts, sometimes labeled lists, where your leads are organized. Give the page a moment to load so all your records appear. Now, decide what you want to export. If you need everything, use the checkbox at the top of the list to select all visible contacts. If you only need specific people, tick the checkboxes next to those entries. You can also narrow things down first, using the search or filters to focus on a particular campaign, page, or segment. This makes the export cleaner and prevents extra data from slipping in. With your contacts selected, look for the Actions menu. Click Actions, then choose Download. If you don't see Actions where you expect it, check the three-dot menu at the top of the page. The Download option is available there as well. After you click Download, Instapage will prepare your file. Depending on how many contacts you selected, this could be quick or take a moment. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a folder you'll remember, like your desktop or a dedicated exports folder, and note the file name. Once the file finishes downloading, save and open it on your computer. The export is typically a CSV, which opens in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. If you double-click and everything shows up in one column, use your spreadsheet's import or text-to-columns feature and set the delimiter to comma. If you see unusual characters, choose UTF-8 encoding during import to display accents and symbols correctly. Dates and phone numbers may come in as plain text. You can format those columns after opening to make them easier to sort and read. That's all there is to it. Go to All Contacts, select the contacts you need, download from the Actions menu or the three-dot menu, then save and open the file. Keep your exported file secure since it contains personal information, and consider renaming it with a clear date so you can find it later. If you need to repeat this for another segment, just refine your selection in the Contacts view and download again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently export your Instapage contacts.